Severe thunderstorm warning. I'm under this. It's for Bristol.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Brockton, moving east at 16 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour. Rockland, Abington, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Is possible. Location.
Tell them you, me, Holly was a there.
Here it is.
Northern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brockton, moving at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Brockton, Plymouth, Weymouth, Braintree.
I'm in this.
Bookshelves, any?
Pembroke, Rockland, Abington, Duxbury, Hanover, Bridgewater, and Raynham.
Perfect for kicking it by the pool, grilling on the...
So, if you haven't heard, I changed my name from Cam the Cat to Storm Cam. Anyways, this is Storm Cam, signing out for now. Bye.